Journey, I want to show you guys a couple of things that are really important as we get going with our online learning. So this is the main Schoology page. I would bookmark this, but you always want to log in through Clever. So this is our course, so anything from me will be in here. And then you should also have these 3 courses, so music, PE, and art. Those 3 should be there, and then this one from me. So every morning, you're going to want to come in here, and then today's assignments, you'll click on this, and it will send you to the daily slides with your assignments for that day in it. To go back and look at other assignments, let's say you missed a day and you want to go back and see what we did yesterday, you can click here at past slides and recordings. And we have, right now we're in the first week of 3rd quarter, so all of our slides so far are in here if you ever need to find those. The other thing that's important up here is this is our schedule, so you can always click on this and it'll take you to what our schedule is for those days. And then Wednesday is a little bit lighter, so there's our Wednesday schedule, and then here are some important dates that we have off or just different things coming up. So that is up here with class schedule. Our reading group schedule is here. This is the whole group, and I am adding Journey right here. So most weeks we'll meet Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, but that will also always be in our daily slides right here. So then at 10 o'clock, if you have our group that day, then you'll click right here and it'll take you to our reading meeting at 10 o'clock, which is no more than 20 minutes. So today's assignments, those are in here, and then anything else in here you can kind of explore. So at certain times we have live meetings. So at 9:05 is our first live meeting. So on your screen, you won't see this button until about 9 o'clock. Then I will publish it and make it live so that you can see it, and then click on it and it'll take you straight to our Google Meet. You can log in that way. And then our math meeting a little bit before 1, I'll open that one up so you can click right here and go straight to math. And then at 2:15, our closing meeting, this button will pop up and you can join that. The only time that's different is on Wednesdays. It's optional to pop in and ask any questions at 11. So our Wednesday schedule is mostly independent work. We don't really have any live meetings except for our very first one. So that is kind of the nuts and bolts of how to get places and how to know when our live meetings are. So class schedule will tell you our general schedule for the day, depending on what day we are. Past recordings here, reading schedule here, but every morning what I would do is just hop into Schoology, click on today's assignments, and all of that information for that day is right there for you. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions as we move forward.